Today we're going to be learning all about the verb estudiar. Estudiar is a cognate, meaning a word that looks or sounds like an English word. We can see stud in the middle, which looks like the English word study. Estudiar means to study. Now we can see this verb in action in these sentences. El lunes estudio historia, sin embargo, Julia estudia español. Tom y Salva estudian música. Notice how the verb estudiar does not appear in the form that we saw on the last slide. We have estudió, estudia, estudian. This is because estudiar is an infinitive. An infinitive is the raw form of the verb before we add the information for who is doing the verb. In English, an infinitive looks like to study. It's to followed by the verb. Other examples: to love, to live, to jump, to sing, to play. Now we've seen some other verbs for the I form. Vivo, I live. Me llamo, I call myself. Tengo, I have. All of these verbs end in O, and that's going to help us predict the pattern for I study. Estudio, I study. Let's look at what happens to the infinitive when we add the information for who is doing the verb. We take the infinitive estudiar, we remove the AR ending, and we add the ending which tells us which person is doing the verb. On this slide, we can see the endings. O, as, a, amos, ais, an, which makes estudio, estudias, estudia, estudiamos, estudiais, estudian. Adding this information helps the listener understand who is doing the verb. If bailar means to dance, how would I say I dance? I would remove the AR ending from the end of the verb and add the ending for I verbs, which we know is o, meaning I dance would be bailo. Pause the video and try and translate these sentences into English. You can refer back to the part of the video that shows you the verb endings. Pay attention to who is doing the verb. This information is communicated by the endings of the verb estudiar. Once you've had a chance to translate the sentences, listen carefully to the answers. If you haven't already translated them, pause the video and do it now. Número 1. Estudio español. I study Spanish. Número 2. Estudiamos dibujo. We study art. Número 3. Estudian geografía y historia. They study geography and history. Número 4. No estudio alemán. I don't study German. Número 5. ¿Estudias francés? Do you study French?